Ever felt like you're running in circles with affiliate marketing? It's a common struggle, navigating through the maze of finding profitable niches, crafting compelling content, and driving meaningful traffic. But remember, affiliate marketing doesn't have to be this challenging. Introducing Affilorama, your ultimate solution to affiliate marketing struggles. Imagine having access to a treasure trove of extensive training resources, designed to equip you with the skills you need to master affiliate marketing. Picture a community of like-minded people, all working towards the same goal, ready to support, inspire, and motivate you. Now add to this potent combination a set of practical tools that streamline the marketing process, making it more efficient and straightforward than ever before. Affilorama simplifies the entire process, providing step-by-step guidance that takes you from novice to expert. So you see, with Affilorama, you're not just learning how to fish. You're given the best fishing rod to catch the biggest fish. Imagine waking up to a steady stream of income without the everyday grind. With Affilorama, this is not only possible, it's happening for countless individuals. This comprehensive course has become a game changer, turning affiliate marketing struggles into triumphs and dreams into realities. The success stories are plentiful, from folks who were once in your shoes, now celebrating significant improvements in their ventures. Affilorama is not just a course, it's your ticket to financial freedom. Click the link below and start your journey to success today.